Go get 'em. Go get 'em. Go get 'em.
Hey Tariq, what's up, man?
What's up? How you doing?
I'm doing well, awesome. So, how about you tell me a little bit about what you do and who you are?
Yeah, absolutely. My name is Tariq. I'm a barber here at Faded Needles, the barber shop, piercing studio, tattoo shop out here in Brooklyn, New York. I'm one of the barbers and the piercing apprentices. It's great to have you here.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Hey Tariq, what's the most interesting aspect of being a barber?
I love being able to work with people, giving them great haircuts. There's nothing better than having a great haircut and feeling good. So that's where I come in and I help you out.
What's the most interesting aspect of being a barber?
I mean, well, yo, being a barber, man, you tapping into 10,000 different worlds. Every one of your clients is a different world they come from. You know, it's different to yours, different to the next person. You could have from bankers to people on Wall Street to everyday Joes, blue collar, white collar, everything, man.
Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single.
Why should we come to this barbershop and not another one?
Oh man, because anybody can pick up clippers and cut hair, but not really a lot of people give you a haircut. Nice one, like this one.
It's real solid, it's fresh.
It's fresh.
It's good, it's good.
Check us out, Faded Needles, you know where we at. Southwest Hampton, you're always welcome.
Awesome.
They don't love you when you cold. They just want you when you hot. They just want you for your spot. Now they think you forgot.